Hi, I'm Vivian Caldera and I'm the literacy coach for kinder through 5th grade at ANS. Here at ANS, we're committed to building a community that values students as authors of their own learning. It is through dynamic learning experiences that we want all students to achieve academic excellence and also promote their own interest and passions as the driver's seat of their learning. During the literacy block, students are engaged in readers, writers, and phonics workshop. Teachers and students are both knowledgeable on the progression. That means they know where they are as readers and writers, and they know where they want to go. Through the reading and writing workshop, we're building students who can advocate for themselves, who will be able to think about solutions to world problems, and who will be able to also consider supporting other people around them. We want them to turn into lifelong readers and learners who know that what they think, say, or do matters in the world.